So hello guys, I am audible. Okay, thank you. Nowadays I am talking to native speakers from different countries and they are very fluent, and the one thing which is common I found in them is they use connecting words for their fluency, for the better flow. So the reason is they not say every word separately, they use connecting words, and it make instant flow. You should also use these connecting words, you will instantly sound more fluent. So just use with me and learn with me. So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi and I am from Ayodhya and I am learning English, and in this journey you will learn, I will learn and make you learn. So without wasting any time, just dive into the video and let's learn with me. So the first one is gonna. Going to replace it by gonna, right? I'm going to call my friend. I'm gonna call my friend. I'm going to see him tomorrow. I'm gonna see him tomorrow. The second one is wanna. The contraction of want to. I want to go to the party. I wanna go to the party. I wanna see you. I want to see you. I wanna see you. He doesn't want to do his homework. He doesn't wanna do his homework. The third one is gotta. Contraction of got to. I got to go now. I gotta go now. We got to finish this. We gotta finish this. And the fourth one is lemme. Is contraction of let me. Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And the fifth one is give me. Is contraction of give me. Give me an example. Give me an example. Give me a break. Give me a break. And the sixth and the last one is have to. Is contraction of have to. I have to go there. I have to go there. I have to complete my homework. I have to complete my homework. So hope you like the video, and currently I am not using these contractions, but I am going to use in I'm gonna use these contractions in upcoming videos. My English is little bit, but I'm going to to improve it. Okay, bye. My English is not good, but I'm improving day by day. So please support me and be the part of my journey and improve your English. Till then, bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye.